Полесье tool set comes with basic work tools for a young craftsman. One can assemble a design structure with these work tools. Design structures are assembled with orange hold bars and fastened by bolts and screw nuts. One needs to use various work tools to torque a bolt or a screw nut. A box wrench with a capping, or a wrench. And what if we use a wrench and a flat nose plier? To measure a structure side, we'll need a triangle. To safely fix the bars, one must squeeze the screw nuts. This may be done with a hex wrench or a screwdriver with cappings. A young craftsman is to have an arm saw. It may be needed to create new designs. Wow! What nice designs may be done with Polesie tool set! Полесье. Go playing!